right, so I can't help it. My brain got to going after I closed out the last video, so I said, you know what? Do a size comparison here. So this is 8 IBC totes behind me, and this is 8 empty bags. So that's what I was saying earlier about the size and the room and just storage space that we have around the woodlot. This would kill me if I had 200 of these just around the woodlot versus just a couple of bags full of empty bags. So the other piece is, it just comes down to, there's always a cost. So whether it's, this is worth 23 IBC totes at 50 bucks a piece, or you're buying these at 50 bucks a piece. The other thing that comes down to with the bags, I was lucky enough, I got rid of the bladders on the way back from where we got the totes. I have a buddy that runs a farm, and he's using them for either like a calving shed or a little goat mini barns or something, but he doesn't really know what he's going to use them for, but that's kind of the plan. But I still have to get rid of all of the plastic corners. So there is that factor with the IBC totes that you do have to contend with. And yes, there's shipping on the bags, but you know what? It probably cost me $100 in gas to go up and get 14 IBC totes, where we do the sample pack of the log lift bags. I think there's 42 bucks, and that's shipped right to your door. All you do is you log on, enter the payment stuff, enter, I say thanks for the order, and then they show up at your door a couple days later. So there's the convenience thing, because literally we ran, Nathan and I left here, I think at 3, went up, loaded, got rid of the bladders, ran an errand, came back here, and it's after 6. So my time's valuable. Even at 20 bucks an hour, it still works out the cheaper than shipping on these. So again, just trying to live in both worlds with the bags and the totes. So again, it just comes down to what works best for you at your woodlot. Well, I'm just trying to have a solution either way, whether it's the bags with a rack or if it's the totes with a rotating set of pallet forks. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. And now we're officially going to call this video done.